Hey, it's Alex, and in this video we're going to look at how to install a theme in WordPress and also how to activate the theme. So I'm here in the themes or the appearance and then themes menu, and I'm just going to click on add new. And I want to upload a theme. So I'm going to click on upload theme and then choose file. And the theme that we're working with is called Marketer's Delight. And you know where you can get that. So I'm going to open that up and then click on Install Now. So the theme has been successfully installed, and I can just click on Activate right here. And now this theme is active on the site, and if I visit my home page, we'll see that it has changed to reflect this theme. So that's how you install a WordPress theme. That's how you install and activate Marketer's Delight. It's a great theme. I highly recommend it, and I'm looking forward to working with it a little bit more. I'll catch you in the next video.